Mama got a surprise for you. I got a present.
Elmo.
How do you know it's Elmo? How do you know? Who's that? Wow! Happy Easter. So what? Oh, love. Can you give Elmo kisses? Oh. Oh. What did he say? Oh. What did he say? Oh. What's that, babe? Aww, can you say thank you, Mama? Thank you for Elmo. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you to Mama? Say thank you for Elmo. Say thank you for Elmo. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Can Mama get kisses? Can Mama get kisses? Oh, Elmo gets kisses.
Shake it up.
Aww. That's nose, yes. That's your nose, and that's Elmo's nose. That's Elmo's mouth. Yeah.
No.
Nose, that's right. Where's Elmo's eye? Where's Elmo's head? That's your head. Where's Elmo's head? Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay, Elmo, sit down.
What's up? Elmo? Tickle.
Tickle. Elmo said tickle. I think I got a squirt on this one, huh? Can you say thank you, Mama? Can you say thank you, Mama? Oh, you're welcome, sweetness. Do you love Elmo? Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Chorkiss. Chorkiss. I just want to kiss Elmo.